Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my lecture. Dear students, I am KMSI.IslamicTV, lecturer of Scholars School and College. Dear students, today I will teach you Islam and Moral Education, Class 5, Chapter 1, Short Questions. Students, you know that previous lecture I told you that next lecture, that means today's lecture, I will teach you from 11 question number 11 to 22 number. That means first lecture I taught you 10 creative short questions, and in this lecture I will teach you 12 short questions. So students, we can start now. So 11 numbers short questions. You know that this is 11 number. That means in previous lecture was up to 1 up to 10 number. That's why this is 11 number I kept here. Okay, right here. You can write here 1 or 11, just no problem. Okay, so start. Who will be question number 11? Who will be able to answer 3 questions in the grave? Students, after our death will be kept in the grave, that means cover. In that cover, two angels will ask 3 questions. So some people will be able to answer, and some people will not be able to answer. So question here, who will be able? Answer is those who will lead their lives according to the orders of Allah and His prophets in this world will be able to answer these questions correctly. What are that questions? Man Rabbuka, Man Dinuka, Man Nabiyuka. These 3 questions will be asked in the grave. Okay, I taught you in the class. Anyway, then 12 number questions. What is grave? What is grave? Answer: grave is the, we can write here the grave is the first step of akhirat. Here step or stage, anyone can choose. Life after death. That means after our death, grave is the first stage of akhirat. Okay. Then 13 number question. What is Jannat? You can write here J or Z, no problem. I can write. I'm writing here with Z word, Z letter. What is Jannat? You can write J with J or Z, no problem. What is Jannat? Answer. Sorry. Jannat, that means, Jannat is Arabic word, it means heaven. Is an abode of eternal happiness. In it there is peace and peace everywhere. It has all arrangements for comfort. That means Jannat, Arabic word. It means heaven. So next we can 14 number question. What is Jahannam? What is Jahannam? Students, you know that Jahannam is an Arabic word which means hell. Hell. You can write J with Z or J, no problem. Okay. So here I have written with Z. Also here also write with Z. uh, you can write with Z, no problem. Jahannam, Arabic word, it means hell, is a place of perpetual suffering. Perpetual means permanent suffering for those for persons who don't have faith while in the world and who do not go do good deeds here. That means Jahannam will be the place. Jahannam is the perpetual suffering for those persons do not who do not perform uh, good deeds in the world with belief. Okay, then 15 number question: which acts will be performed? We will perform. Which acts will we perform? Answer: we will perform only those acts. Acts means works and deeds which are liked by Allah. That means we will do such work which Allah will like that. Okay. 16 number. What does Islam mean? Islam. Islam is an Arabic word. Everybody know this. Islam is an Arabic word which means allegiance to Allah or surrender or peace. Okay. Islam means allegiance to Allah, and you can write here please EES is or surrender. Etc. And Islam is the name of obedience to Allah. Okay. So Islam means allegiance to Allah, peace, surrender, etc. And in Islamic terminology, Islam is the name of obedience to Allah. Anyway, 17 number. Who is a Muslim? Answer: the person who complies with the laws of Islam and expresses in words that the things which he believes at heart and transforms it into actions is a Muslim. Number 18. How do you define Iman, or what is Iman? What is Iman? How do we define Iman? That means what is Iman? Okay. Students, you know that Iman is an Arabic word. Iman is an Arabic word which means firm belief or belief. Okay. Iman is to have belief firmly, or Iman is to believe firmly in heart the entity and the power of Allah and Hazrat Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Okay, this is shortly Iman. Okay, shortly called Iman. The fundamental matters of Islam on which have to believe in Iman. Okay. 19 number. Who is the Rab, sustainer of the universe? Sustainer of the universe. Answer: Allah is the Rab of the universe. Okay, he has created everything and he has sustained all. 20 number. What is our deen? Students, deen is an Arabic word. Its meaning is religion. Our deen or religion is Islam. 22 number. Write the Arabic expression which we use to show our gratitude to Allah. Answer: the Arabic expression is Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin, which means all praise be to Allah, Rabb of the universe. And then last number questions. What is the meaning of Akhirat? Answer. Akhirat is an Arabic word that means the life after death or the life hereafter. That means after our death, Akhirat will start. Akhirat life has no end. Okay. So thank you very much, student. Um, uh, if you have any problem in the sheet, then you can call me. And if you have you will have no problem, then memorize properly. Okay, then thank you very much. Best wishes, KMSI.IslamicTV, sir, your Islam and moral education teacher. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.